Hi guys, welcome back to the new video of Legend Physics. In this video we gonna talk about Desolder Wik and how to use it. Desolder Wik is used to remove extra solder left on an electronic component or an electronic circuit. You can easily find Desolder Wik at electrical shop nearby your locality. Now in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to use Desolder Wik in your electrical circuits. Now first of all I have taken an electrical plate with many components installed in it. First let your soldering iron rod be heated. As soldering rod gets heated up, place the soldering iron into a point from where extra solder has to be removed. Now take Desolder Wik and place it that same point from where the soldering has to be removed. Then place hot soldering rod on top of it. Now as soon as the extra solder will heat up, it will automatically stick itself to the Desolder Wik. Now I have done the same for multiple components, you can see it. Desolder Wik is made up of many copper wires wound together with resin flux on top of it, so it can easily absorb the extra solder. Now in this video you can easily see that how extra solder has attached itself to the Desolder Wik. Now in this video you can easily see how extra solder has been removed from this electronic plates. Now there is no extra solder left at the point where we have used Desolder Wik. Now after the use of Desolder Wik you can easily cut the used part out of this Desolder Wik with the help of cutting pilers and use the next part after this. This Desolder Wik is very useful to remove small chips, ICs and other small things from the circuit. One pack of Desolder Wik can be used 3 to 4 times. In one pack you easily get 25 to 30 cm of wire for multiple uses.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video.